Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to learn to knit this easy and beautiful lace stitch pattern. You can use this pattern in your ladies cardigan, sweater, ladies shawl. This is the way it looks like. See, this is the pattern. Wrong side looks like this. So this is only a 10 rows repeat pattern, and you'll need to cast on multiples of 17 plus 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 17 plus 2 edge stitch. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 19 stitches on my needle, which is 17. I have only one repeat, which is 17 plus 2 edge stitch, 19. So row 1 right side, you will purl all stitches because this is right side. So knit your edge stitch and purl all stitches. And your edge stitch on the right side knit. We have done our row 1. Row 2 right side, row 2 wrong side, knit all stitches. Slip your edge stitch purlwise on the wrong side and knit all stitches. Row 3 right side, your edge stitch knit through the, I forgot to purl this last stitch. So row 3 right side, your edge stitch, slip on the right side and start the repeat from here for repeat pattern. SSK means slip 1 knit twice, slip 2 knit twice, knit these 2 together through the back loop, SSK, and then knit 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, knit 6, 2, 4, 6, knit 6, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, and then knit 6 again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, knit 6 and then knit 2 together. That's the repeat from here to here. From here to here for repeat pattern we have done SSK, knit 6, 2, 4, 6, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 6 again, 2, 4, 6 and then knit 2 together. You will repeat this repeat pattern for however many repeat stitches you have, and after you finish all repeats, for a last edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 4 wrong side. For row 4 wrong side, your edge stitch, slip on the wrong side and start the repeat from here. Purl 2 together, purl 2 together, purl 13, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Purl 13 and then SSP. SSP means it's like SSK on the wrong side. Your slip your first stitch from these two, slip one, knit twice, slip two, knit twice, and then purl these two together through the back loop, just like SSK, through the back loop, and purl these two together. And on the right side it looks like this. So that's the repeat from here to here. Purl two together, purl 13, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13 and SSB. And your last edge stitch, purl on the wrong side. Row 5. For row 5, your edge stitch, slip and start the repeat from here, SSK, SSK, and then knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 4, and then yarn over, knit 1 2 times, 3 times, yarn over, knit 1, 1, yarn over, knit 1, 2, yarn over, knit 1, 3 times, and then one more time, yarn over, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then knit 2 together. That's the repeat from here to here. SSK, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn over, knit 1 3 times, yarn over, knit 1, 1, yarn over, knit 1, 2, yarn over, knit 1, 3, one more time, yarn over, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and knit 2 together. This is the repeat pattern, and your edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 6. For row 6, your edge stitch, row 6, for row 6, knit edge row 4, your edge stitch, slip, and then start the repeat from here. Purl 2 together, purl 13, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and then SSB. Slip 1, knit twice, slip 2, knit twice, purl these two together through the back loop, SSB. And your edge stitch, that's the repeat. Purl 2 together, purl 13, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13 and SSB. Your edge stitch, purl on the wrong side. Row 7. For row 7, your edge stitch, slip on the right side and start the repeat from here. SSK, knit 2, 1, 2, knit 2, and then yarn over, knit 1 7 times, yarn over, knit 1, 1, yarn over, knit 1, 2, yarn over, knit 1, 3, yarn over, knit 1, 4, yarn over, knit 1, 5, yarn over, knit 1, 6, yarn over, knit 1, 7 times, and then one more time, yarn over, knit 2, 1, 2, and then knit 2 together. That's the repeat from here to here. SSK, knit 2, and then yarn over, knit 7 times, yarn over, knit 1 7 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, one more time, yarn over, knit 2 together. Edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 8. For row 8, your edge stitch, slip on the wrong side and start the repeat from here. Purl 2 together, purl 2 together and purl 17, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Purl 17 and then SSB. That's the repeat from here to here. For repeat pattern we have done yes, purl 2 together, purl 17, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 17 and SSP, and your edge stitch purl on the wrong side. Row 9. For row 9 your edge stitch slip and start the repeat from here, SSK, and then knit 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. That's the repeat, and then knit two together. That's the repeat from here to here, SSK, knit 15, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15 and then knit two together. Your edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 10 wrong side, knit all stitches. Edge stitch slip on the wrong side and then knit all stitches. Edge stitch and in front and purl on the wrong side. So that's the repeat. We have done one repeat here. This is one repeat. Now repeat this 10 rows, row 1 to row 10 over and over again until you reach your desired length, and after your few repeats your pattern. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.